channel mostly focuses on content that is fashion, beauty, and sometimes sneaker related. If that sounds like things that you're into, then please do join us. I would love to have you. So today what I'm going to be doing is an unboxing of an art piece from King Rello, who is a Chicago artist. If you don't know, I will link the information below. I'll put it down in the description box, the link to the website, his Instagram, I don't know, something. I'll link it down below. So this art piece is called Billy the Spacekid, and basically it's a black Astroboy. And from the moment that he previewed the piece, I knew I had to have it. And it was kind of funny because I had just bought an Astroboy piece right here. I had just bought this from Bait, and then I saw this, that he was releasing the Billy the Spacekid piece, and I was like, I have to have it, and that'd be kind of cool to have them like right next to each other, because I like Astroboy, and of course I would love to have a black Astroboy. So anyway, this is the box right here that it came in. I've had this for a while. It released the first time it released a while ago, and I just kind of had this box sitting around and I didn't open it yet. And he just recently released more, like a signed edition. I'm kind of upset about that because when I bought mine, he said that there would be some that would be signed, but I didn't know how that release would go. I thought it may be in Chicago or something. But it turns out he released some of those online, but I already had mine, so I didn't get the signed one. But if you do like this piece, it's currently sold out right now, but if you do happen to like this piece, it seems like he's been kind of like staggering the release, so he's been releasing them in waves. I would keep a lookout at his Instagram and also on the website, because it's probably going to become available. A few of them probably become available again, hopefully. If not, you will probably have to get it on the resale market. But anyway, I'm going to stop talking now. I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to unbox this, and then I'll also unbox the Astroboy that I have, and I guess kind of compare them a little bit. I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, I'm going to stop talking now. I just wanted to take the time out to say that this is a really cool piece, guys. This is definitely a conversation starter, definitely something that you want to have in your collection. Astroboy is an icon, and this piece is really revolutionary in the way that it takes an icon and it makes him black, so that little black boys and girls are able to see a reflection of themselves in this art piece. And I just think that that's such a beautiful thing. Y'all, I was struggling so bad with this box, but eventually I got it open. is the King Rello one, and this is the bait Astroboy one. This is the back of both. This is a 13-inch. This is 13 inches, and this one was $200. The shipping was $50, so about $250 for this one. And this one was $150, and this was from Bait SF and Astroboy. They still have these available. This is a 16-inch figurine, excuse me. And they still have these available on their website and in store, but it's 3 different versions of this one. So it's not only this one, there's like 2 other ones that you can get as well. Okay, so we're not really gonna focus on this one. I'll show it. This one, I will say, this one is really, really heavy. Compared to the other one, this is crazy heavy. The boots are super big and exaggerated. It's very, very well made. It's nice. This one is a little bit more lightweight, still very, very well made. These are like the plastic on this is like matte, which is really, really nice. The hair is a nice touch, and it's also texture, which I really like. I can appreciate that. There's this, the boots are textured too. Right here, these little things on the boots, they're textured, which is a nice little touch. It's not posable. So the arms or the legs don't move. But overall, this is a super cool piece, and I will be on the lookout for it if you're interested in to pick it up. I'm glad that I do own one. In a couple of weeks or so, I'm gonna use a Supreme skateboard that I'm gonna convert into like a table or a stand to use this to store this on. I have some of my other toys on other shelves, but I think that's how I want to store this one. But I don't know, we'll see. And this Astroboy, which is actually my daughter's. It was mine, but she wanted it, so I gave it to her, and I'm going to buy myself another one. This one is, the boots are really shiny plastic, but the rest of it is matte, including the underwear, the hair. It's not as, they didn't play with texture as much, but the boots are a really weird texture. It's like they almost feel rubbery, but they're still plastic. It's kind of weird. But anyway, I won't stay for long. These are both of these 2 figurines. Really, really cool. Check them out, both of them or one of them, especially this one. This is definitely a piece that I feel like you want to have. Like, this is nice too if you're into Astroboy, but this is a piece that I think that you should really add to your collection if you can. I'm really, really glad that I own this piece. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for listening to me ramble. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, bye. So I forgot to mention a couple of things to you guys. So I'm going to link this website. You should go check it out, even if you don't necessarily like this art piece. There's these shirts that are super cool. I'll probably include an image of it. It's like, it says like, please interpret this as black or something like that. And it has like his version of Mickey Mouse, which is a black Mickey Mouse, and I think his name is like Ozzy or something. And his black version of a Minnie. It's really, really cool. I'm gonna put try to put an image of that. There's like a couple of other things on the website as well. But also, there was also these jackets that he did in collaboration with Stadium Goods. And the jacket is just crazy. I'm gonna try to put a picture of that as well. It is like $500 or something like that, but it's definitely worth it if you have it. It's a beautiful jacket. So yeah, if you're not familiar with this artist already, definitely familiarize yourself with him. He has some cool things, some things that he has already done in the past, and some things that he has to offer currently. So definitely something that I would check out. So yeah, guys, bye for real now.